If you already have a Gmail account and want to create a new one, you can still do that very easily. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to make a brand new Gmail account from scratch, even if you already use Google on another account. This is useful if you want a separate email for work, school, business, or just to keep things organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signup. This is the official Google signup page, and it's where you'll start creating your new account. Once the page loads, you'll see the form for creating a Google account. Start by entering your first name and last name in the required fields. After that, click Next. On the next screen, Google will ask for some basic personal information. Enter your date of birth and gender, then click Next again. This step helps Google set up your account profile and make sure the account details are complete. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a new Gmail address. This is the email name people will use to contact you, so pick something simple, professional, or easy to remember. If your first choice is already taken, Google may suggest alternatives, or you can try another one until you find an available address. Once you've selected the Gmail address you want, click Next. After that, it's time to create a password. Make sure you choose a strong password that you can remember, but that's also hard for other people to guess. It's always a good idea to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Type your password carefully, confirm it if needed, and then click Next. At this point, Google may ask you to verify your account using your mobile device. You'll see a QR code on the screen, so scan the QR code with your phone and complete the verification steps. Follow the prompts on your mobile device and then come back to your browser once the verification is done. This step helps Google confirm your identity and protect the new account. After the verification process, Google will show you the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read the Google terms, then scroll down and click I agree. Once you accept the terms, Google will finish creating your account. And that's it. Your new Gmail account will be created successfully, even if you already had one before. From here, you can start using your new inbox right away, send emails, connect it to your phone, and set up recovery options for extra security. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.